How you doing, YouTube viewer? Thanks for viewing this video. Today I just seen the Dragon X rocket go off, and I was thinking about how they go to the bathroom, and then for some reason Iron Man's 2 during the party scene that you'll see right here that says he gets questions on how does he go to the bathroom. Then he does a little pee face, and takes a piss, and he goes just like that, and it says the suit has a filtration system. Now, every Iron Man suit that I've ever seen, through Iron Man 1 through 3, then the Avenger movies, then also Endgame, he has a nanotech suit. So you're telling me if he has to take a piss that he has pee-pee pants? And also, I hate to talk about somebody's manhood, but he must be not hung very well, because he's wearing pants or a suit, sweatpants, whatever daily clothes he's wearing, and he puts the Iron Man suit on and something scares the crap out of him, that he pisses his pants or pisses himself, that urine goes into the suit filtration, but he still has the biohazard of pissed pants that are urine stained now because he pissed himself. Then also I was thinking, like, you know what? Something about Stan Lee said about Superman from DC and some of the DC comics, that some of their flying or some of their abilities don't make any sense. But during the interview, he was talking about Thor, and Thor has his hammer Mjolnir, and he spins it on his wrist, and he up in the air, right? And Superman has radiation. Spider-Man has the web shooters, right? So Marvel is more human characters and stories, but their costumes don't fit them. I mean, Spider-Man is a leotard, so it's a one piece, then one for his hat. How does he go to the bathroom? Does he piss himself just like Iron Man does? Or at least it's a two-piece, so he has a long shirt, then the pants. And I wonder if any supervillains ever tried de-pantsing him, or he's ever lost his pants. But he's definitely had battle damage, so it is a one piece. But DC, I mean, the biggest two is Superman and Batman. And everybody says, well, Superman wears his underwear on the outside of his leotard, but at least he has probably a hole so he can go ahead and take a whiz and drop his underwear and pull down the butt flap to take a dump. Same thing with Batman. Batman's wearing armor, so he can go ahead and detach his front crotch plate to take a whiz. But same thing with Thor. Thor is a full armored thing, so how the hell does he take a whiz? The only one that actually can take a whiz but loses his clothes anyway is the Hulk. So it's just food for thought for everybody that's a comic historian, that people are going to think about. Even Comic Historian, I'd love to have his advice of how do these comic book characters go to the bathroom? But I know how astronauts do it. They have diapers on, and they have connectors to their suit, so if they do have to take a dump or they have to do a pee that it goes through the tubes and they go to the bathroom. But I'm just wondering how that happens. But thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment below if you think I'm wrong or right, or did I just blow your mind and you never thought of it. But have a good day. Thanks for watching.